We've got a Jaguar XF with an airbag light on, and the fault code is B00D5. This is for the LED that tells you that passenger airbag is disabled. It's a bit strange because I don't think you can actually disable the airbags in this, but it's got the indicator anyway. If you go looking around the dashboard, you won't find it. It's right up here. It's on the top panel. Just a pair of LEDs switched by the airbag module. Nothing important. That's the LED there. There's a ignition wire and an activation wire. So quite simply, ignition wire straight from the BCM. So up here, I've got my probe on another ignition wire and it's got 14 volts on it. I'll move my probe to the airbag wire. There we go. Now I've only got 7.8 volts on there. Now, doesn't immediately mean there's a fault. It could be the airbag ECU could be trying to switch the LEDs, and that's why it's showing reduced voltage. But to be honest, the LED, so the voltage drop shouldn't really be on the positive side. The LEDs could be shorted. That's another possibility, but most likely scenario is that there's damage to the wire that runs to this, or actually damage to this circuit board inside the BCM that supplies this feed. The way I verified this is by bridging the two ignition feeds, which is potentially a risky thing to do on an airbag system while the car's running, but it is safe because if you've consulted the diagram, they're both ignition wires. It should be fine. So I'm going to do that now, and we'll see what difference it makes on the scan tool. Got my probe on it now. Well, my bridge wire, and it's gone intermittent. I'm going to take my wire off, read the codes again. Any second it should go permanent. There we go. So it's a problem with the power supply to the LED, and my guess is that this may have a corroded BCM, which is fairly common due to washer pump failure. That's the completed repair. Just bridging pin 7 to pin 1. Now this, I would like to clarify, this is considered a bodge because we've found a shortcut to a solution. The correct way to go about this would be to run a test lead from the BCM output wire to the pin on this plug and see if it keeps 14 volts, and if it doesn't do that, then it's going to need a new BCM. I don't think that's in the customer's budget, and they're quite happy with a repair like this. So this is how it's going to be. Just had a quick look at the BCM. Pulled the plug out. Pin 4 looks clean, so likely the wire has been damaged somewhere along the way. Oh, the BCM has just got a bad connection inside, so we're just going to run a patch wire between the two. Since it's only an LED, it's only going to use a few milliamps. That should fix it for now.